Okay, what I've got here is the original Suzuki vanvan lead acid battery, and next door to it we've got a BC lithium replacement battery. The two are different in size, but in the box are these spacers that you can use to raise up the battery so it fits in the compartment. Okay, so as a bit of a test, I just thought I'd show you. I'd weigh the original Suzuki vanvan battery. It's quite heavy. It's coming in at 2.49 kilograms, 2,491 grams. Okay, so I'm going to weigh the BC lithium replacement battery. And it comes in at 481 grams, which is a considerable weight saving over the original lead acid. So in the box you get the instruction manual, battery, the box, the spacers and the bolts. Here's the battery, and it's got a self-test on it. I've read the instructions and it says if I get 3 LEDs it's full and I can fit it to my bike. 2 LEDs it requires a bit of a charge, and if 1 LED just lights then it needs a full charge. Here we go. There you go, I've got 3 LEDs, so that means I can get it fitted to my bike. Okay, so here's the vanvan. Taken the seat off, I've taken the battery out, and you can see there's the battery compartment for the old lead acid battery. And I'm going to fit the new one in and hopefully get her going again. He looks a bit bored. I've put the battery in the bike. There you can see the spacers, but it looks small, and you can see that there isn't any wobble. It fits nice and snug in there. Okay, here is the battery fitted to the bike. These wires here are just for my mobile phone, and I want to test the battery first before I reconnect them so I can charge my mobile phone. But let's start the bike up and see what we've got. First time.